Hi, this is Anne with Graphic Design How To, and today I'm going to show you how to make a transparent JPEG in Adobe Photoshop. All right, let's get started. All right, well, you probably already know that JPEGs cannot have transparency, but did you know that you can include a clipping path inside the JPEG and then activate it inside INDESIGN and maybe other programs? I'm not really sure about that. So I want to show you how to do that. Okay, so I've opened my JPEG here in Adobe Photoshop. If you have a nice high-res one like this, you can use the Content-Aware Tracing tool, which is right here underneath your pen tool. So I'm going to get right on the edge and just click to have Photoshop figure out where the vector lines should go. Okay, and when you do that, it'll put the vectors in your paths panel. So I'm going to double click the work path and I'll just rename it to logo paths. I'll say okay. And then all you need to do to have these paths in here is save your file with Command S or Control S. Now, if you have a lower res file, you'll actually need to go and make the vectors yourself with the pen tool. So to do that, I'm just going to delete the logo paths we have, and then you just click and drag to make the path that way. It's definitely way easier if you have a high-res logo. So now I'm here in InDesign. I want to show you how this works. I'll place the JPEG that I was just working on. So I'll go to File, Place, and here it is. I'll open it. I'm just going to put it on top of these words so we can tell what's happening with the background. Right now, it appears to have a white background, which, of course, JPEGs do have a white background. But now we can go to Object, Clipping Path, Options, and then go to Type and choose the Photoshop path. And we'll say OK. Now it's pulling that clipping path information, and we can, of course, adjust these nodes with our A tool, this direct selection tool. We can change those a little bit or whatever we need to do. And all of that information lives inside the JPEG itself. All right, I hope you liked this video. If you did and you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.